Hello children, welcome back to class of physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. Here we will be dealing with so many topics of current electricity, very basic topics of current electricity, starting with the current, Ohm's law, resistance, conductivity, conductance, resistance, resistivity, relations, and then non-ohmic conductors. You will find very small topics are there, but all are interrelated. Okay, so please don't forget to see the video till the end so that you can clear your concepts which are over here. Okay, also don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. We have studied in class 10 also that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of a conductor, provided the physical conditions remains the same, right? So what is current here? We know that current is nothing but rate of flow of charge, or we can say charge flowing through the conductor per unit time, right? So that current जो चार्ज फ्लो हो रहा है, जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, that is directly proportional to, see here, directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of a conductor, provided the physical condition remains the same. कौन सी conditions? Temperature, pressure, all these conditions should remain same. Okay, that means we are saying that current is proportional to potential difference. Okay, so we can write V is proportional to I. Okay, the proportionality constant which we give here is R. Okay, this R is resistance. Okay, resistance क्या है? Resistance is the property of the material of the conductor, right? See, there are two terms, resistance and resistor. Do not confuse. Like we had in the previous unit, we must have seen that capacitance and capacitor. Capacitance is the property, capacitor is a device. वैसे ही यहाँ पर resistance is the property and resistor is the device. Okay, if we draw the circuit diagram for this, you know, we can draw like this: voltmeter always connected in parallel, ammeter connected with key, resistance, then a battery, right? This is the simplest circuit diagram to prove this Ohm's law. Okay, when we draw the graph between V and I, we have seen in class 10 that we can draw I versus V graph, and it is always starting from 0. So the graph which we make is the straight line. Okay, this is very important to show that the graph is straight line and starting from origin. अब ये resistance, we can write R is equal to V upon I. So basically resistance is what? It is the property of the material of the conductor. हमारे पास क्या relation है? I is equal to ANEVD. One relation is this. Another relation we have, VD is equal to EE tau upon M. One more relation we have, E is equal to V by L. Okay, if we take this relation, this VD will be equal to E. Instead of E we can write V tau upon M into L, right? This is VD is equal to EV tau upon M into L, right? अब हम इस रिलेशन का यूज करेंगे. इधर पर हमने ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी में E की वैल्यू रखी, अब हम I की वैल्यू रखेंगे. Therefore what we'll get? I is equal to ANEVD is EV tau upon ML. So we are getting I is equal to ANE square tau upon ml. This you put in one bracket and say V is there. So therefore we can write V upon I equal to ml upon a square tau. So that means if we compare this with this equation, 1 and 2 will give you this R we can get. See, V by I is this value, V by I is R. That means this R should be equal to ml upon a square tau. This is the value of resistance. क्लियर है? अब देखिए R हमको ये मिल गया, लेकिन इस R का मेन रीजन क्या है? What is the cause of resistance? It is nothing but the frequent collision of charged particles. किसके साथ होगा? With the atoms, ions of the conductor during the drifting of the charged particles when the electric field is applied. Now we will see its unit of R. Its unit is ohm. We write the symbol like this. So 1 ohm we can define, that is 1 volt upon 1 ampere from this formula. Resistance, so 1 ohm is said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere current flows through a conductor having potential difference of 1 volt across its ends, right? So we can find its dimensional formula also. See, 1 mark important question. Dimensional formula कैसे निकालेंगे resistance का? Resistance we are getting R, we are getting potential upon current. Okay, what we have? Potential we write work upon charge upon current. So work is ml square t minus 2 upon charge is 80 upon current A. This is ml square upon 80, so ml square t minus 3 and A minus 2. This is the dimension formula for resistance. Factors affecting R. Okay, हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं पहले भी, कितनी बार बात कर चुके हैं, छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस इस पर बनते भी हैं कि जो रेजिस्टेंस होता है वो कंडक्टर की लेंथ के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. ठीक है. दूसरा फैक्टर हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि रेजिस्टेंस का जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो कंडक्टर के एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. ओके. When we combine this, we will get R proportional to L upon A, and the proportionality constant which we add is rho L upon A. Okay. So when we talk about the conductor, suppose we have a conductor like this. Okay, this is length L. यदि इस length को हम double कर दें, same material, same conductor. Okay, if length is doubled, from here we are saying resistance is proportional to L. Obviously resistance will be doubled, right? And it is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Obviously आप length बढ़ाएंगे तो area of cross section क्या होगा? कम हो जाएगा, पतला हो जाएगा. इसको खींच के लंबा कीजिए, you will get the area of cross section smaller. Okay, rho is called resistivity. Okay, resistivity of material of the conductor. It is very important to understand here that resistance and resistivity, how they vary. ये बहुत कॉमन सा क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स. यू विल फाइंड कि 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आ जाता है और हम जल्दी जल्दी में गलत करके आ जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं व्हाट विल हैपन टू रेजिस्टेंस एंड रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द कंडक्टर इफ इट्स लेंथ गेट ट्रिपल्ड. सेम कंडक्टर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो R जब लेंथ ट्रिपल हुआ तो रेजिस्टेंस ट्रिपल हुआ, और रेजिस्टिविटी स्टूडेंट्स लिख देते हैं वो भी ट्रिपल हो जाएगी. नो, it will not change because we are talking about the same material. Okay, हमने कहा ना other things remains the same means material remains the same there. So resistivity will not change because it is the property of the material. So we can write resistivity rho is equal to RA upon L. This is resistivity. Here we have R is equal to rho L by A. Here we have R is equal to ml A ne square tau. L by A यहाँ भी है, देखिए. If you compare this R and this, R is equal to L by A, R is equal to L by A into rho, but here into it is m upon ne square tau. Comparing say 1 and 2, you will get resistivity equal to कितना आ जाएगा, m upon ne square tau. Okay, rho depends on number 1 inversely proportional to n and number 2 inversely proportional to relaxation time. अब ये n क्या है यहाँ पर, number density. Obviously number density will depend on nature of the material of the conductor, so this implies rho depends on nature. And what about this, resistivity depends on relaxation time, और relaxation time किस पर डिपेंड करता है, टेम्परेचर पे. तो रिलैक्सेशन टाइम जब टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करेगा तो रेजिस्टिविटी भी टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करेगी. सो सिंस टॉ डिपेंड्स ऑन टेम्परेचर, देयरफॉर रो डिपेंड्स ऑन टेम्परेचर. ओके, कंडक्टेंस. It is the inverse or we can say reciprocal of resistance. It is given by G equal to 1 by R. Okay, right? So its unit will be, since it is reciprocal, so we can write ohm inverse, that is like this. Or we can also write mho, or it is one more, Simon S. जैसे reciprocal of R is conductance, the reciprocal of resistivity is conductivity. We can write reciprocal of resistivity. We can write it by sigma equal to 1 upon rho. Unit of rho, chaliye, it is ohm meter. So this we will get unit of conductivity will be ohm inverse meter inverse, or ohm inverse we can write mho meter inverse, right? So I was talking about the J. J is, you see, it is current density. Current density is the term which relates the current and area. कैसे? It says the current density at a point in a conductor is the amount of current flowing per unit area. Current flowing per unit area of the conductor around that point, provided area is held normal to the direction of flow of current. करंट जिस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है उसके परपेंडिकुलर हम जिस एरिया को रखेंगे, तो पर्टिकुलर एरिया और पर यूनिट एरिया, एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया हम ले लेंगे. सो हाउ मच करंट फ्लोज थ्रू दैट एरिया इज करंट डेंसिटी. So you can write J is equal to I upon A. You see J is a vector quantity because we can write J dot A is current is a scalar quantity. Now we know I is equal to A N E V D. Okay, so J we can write I upon A. From here also you can get directly N E V D, or I upon A and A will cancel, you will get N E V D. Unit, we are writing it as I upon A, so ampere upon area meter square. So now we will get relation between J, sigma and E. Now you see we have I is equal to A N E V D. V D we can write E tau by M. From here if we put I upon A, that will give you N E square E tau upon M. Okay, I upon A we can write J, right? Now you see what is this N E square tau upon M. अभी कोई रिलेशन किया है हमने? We have done, it is, we have done M upon N E square tau, that is nothing but rho, so that is 1 upon rho. We can write E upon rho, and 1 upon rho is sigma, so we can write like this. This is the relation. We can write in vector form also. J is equal to sigma E. This relation is basically the microscopic form of Ohm's law. Relation between rho and mu. Rho and mu, what is rho? Resistivity, and mu is mobility. So we will start with I is equal to again A N E V D. What is V D? It is mu into E. Okay, I upon A is equal to J, which is equal to E upon rho. So here we are getting E upon rho equal to I upon A. I upon A from here we will get N E V D. Okay, and N E V D is nothing but we can write N E mu E. Okay, so this E upon rho equal to N E mu E. E will cancel, so we will get rho is equal to 1 upon N E mu. This is the relation between rho and mu. Okay, so we have covered this relation now. The next which we have is non-ohmic conductor. Here non-ohmic conductor means the conductors which will not follow Ohm's law. Okay, so I was telling you that non-ohmic conductors कौन से होंगे? जो ओम्स लॉ को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. ओम्स लॉ को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे मतलब क्या है? हमने देखा कि ओम्स लॉ में जो I वर्सेस V ग्राफ है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन बनता है, लेकिन हम ऐसे एग्जांपल्स देखना चाहेंगे जिसमें ओम्स लॉ का जो IV ग्राफ है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं होगा या ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. दोनों ही सिचुएशन में ऐसे मटेरियल्स ओम्स लॉ को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे और उसको हम बोलते हैं नॉन ओमिक कंडक्टर्स, और यही अंडर लिमिटेशंस ऑफ ओम्स लॉ भी आ जाता है. ठीक है, so first we will take like metallic conductors. Metallic conductors जब लो टेम्परेचर पर काम करते हैं तब तो वो ओम्स लॉ को फॉलो करते हैं, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते जाते हैं they will not be becoming the ohmic conductors, but their behavior will be non-ohmic. This is called non-ohmic behavior. Okay, the graph will be, instead of going to straight line, it will be little curved. Then this comes under non-ohmic conductor. Another one is water voltmeter. Water voltmeter में क्या है? जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, it is acidified, water is acidified with H2SO4. So that is water voltmeter. उसका जब हम IV ग्राफ बनाएंगे, you will find it is not starting from origin. ओके, तो ओरिजिन में नहीं मिलेगा तब भी हम इसको नॉन ओमिक कंडक्टर बोलेंगे. अनदर एग्जांपल वी कैन हैव पीएन जंक्शन डायोड. स्टूडेंट्स ये हम देखेंगे आपका सेकेंड बुक में क्लास 12 के, जहां पर हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस पढ़ेंगे, सेमीकंडक्टर डिवाइसेस पढ़ेंगे कि पीएन जंक्शन होते क्या हैं और कैसे बनते हैं, एंड मेनी मोर थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू पीएन जंक्शन। तो पीएन जंक्शन में जब हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं, दिस कम्स अंडर फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड, दिस कम्स अंडर रिवर्स बायस्ड, सो यू विल फाइंड द ग्राफ इन बोथ द केसेस इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन। सो इनको भी हम इसलिए नॉन ओमिक कंडक्टर कहते हैं। Thyristor, this is another example. It consists of 4 alternate layers of p and n type semiconductors. इसका ग्राफ देखिए कुछ अजीब टाइप का बनता है ना। तो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ नहीं है दोनों ही केस में, इसलिए ये भी नॉन ओमिक कंडक्टर है। सो व्हेन कम्स टू नॉन ओमिक कंडक्टर्स यू कैन गिव दीज एग्जांपल्स, इवन इफ दे आस्क व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस, सो यू कैन give the examples and explain. There are many other examples also, gallium arsenide and all. I hope you are liking the video. Please share the video, subscribe it and like it. Thank you everyone.